Hi everyone. So recently K Beauty by Katrina has recently launched their hydrating foundation and I am really excited to try out their foundation, and I was really hoping that I got their PR or I get the chance to try out their foundation anyhow just after their launch so that I can do a review for you all on my channel. And luckily I got PR from K Beauty where I received 4 shades of foundation from their brand. So without further ado, let me just show you all the 4 shades. So this is the box of PR that I received from K Beauty, and it has 4 shades for review purpose that I received. These are the foundation. The price of each foundation is rupees 1200 each, where you are going to get 30 gram of product. This is the outer carton box of the foundation, whereas the actual foundation comes up in this kind of glass bottle. It comes up with a pump. All you had to do, you just had to pump this foundation for application. Now this foundation are claimed to be as hydrating foundation which have avocado and mango butter. This foundation right now available on Nykaa online and also on their stores, and these foundations are available in 20 shades. I mean, this is the first time. I am really happy that a brand comes up with so many shade range. Along with that, they have also thought about the undertone. That is the best thing regarding this foundation.
The foundation is hydrating and suits all Indian skin tone. It looks like second skin. It is designed to give an instant boost of hydration to deliver the best version of our skin for all day comfortable wear. This foundation is enriched with mango butter and avocado oil to deliver the smooth texture and untraceable finish. Deliver the smooth texture. It is a makeup that doesn't feel like a makeup, and it look like a second skin. It is enriched with hyaluronic acid, which is high hydration formula. It blur and smoothens skin and doesn't settle into pores or fine lines. From this foundation we can achieve natural, medium coverage and also full buildable coverage depending our day-to-day basis. The formula is an ultra creamy luxurious texture, butter infused texture which is soon absorbed by the skin once applied, releasing a light and impalpable film with a constant pleasant feeling. It is enriched with moisturizing agents. This formula works over time to ensure hydration for a smoother and a more healthy looking complexion. It is blend of natural sugar and butter to ensure no water loss to our skin hydration balancer. My face feel hydrated due to the care ingredients. It feels feather light and blends easily. It doesn't create flashback and makes for an natural appearance in photos. It stays put all day, no need to touch up. The pump of the bottle is designed to control the usage of the product. It makes vanity look good. You can also check the bottom of the foundation to check the label to identify the shade name. All these foundations are cruelty free, paraben free, paraffin free, mineral oil free and vegan. This foundation is exclusively available only at Nykaa.com and at Nykaa store.
Now coming to my experience using this foundation, the foundation is really hydrating. If you are watching my demo video, then you can check out from that I have used this foundation just on my bare skin without prepping my skin, just to see that how this foundation is going to work on my dry skin, because after cleaning my face nowadays my skin tends to be little dry, and I think that is the proper time when I can use this foundation just to see how it works. After using this foundation on half of my face using the beauty blender and the foundation brush, I must tell you that it is good if you use beauty blender only for this hydrating foundation, because it will gives you maximum coverage with the beauty blender. But if you use this foundation with a foundation brush, then it will gives you medium coverage. This foundation is very hydrating on my skin. I really like it. So if you have dry skin, or if your makeup tends to be cakey or dry on your skin, then definitely go for this foundation. The staying power of this foundation on my skin is more than 7 to 8 hours. All I just say, if you have too much of mark on your skin like acne or any kind of scar, then you need an additional concealer to conceal those marks, because this foundation, although it gives you a very flawless base, they are not capable of hiding those acne marks or scar totally. You need an additional concealer to conceal those areas. This foundation have hyaluronic acid which claims to retain the moisture of the skin and also gives the plump effect of the skin. I don't know after using this foundation whether my skin look plump or not, but definitely I like the entire base that I got using this foundation. So definitely if your skin is dry or if you're looking for some hydrating foundation, you should try out this K Beauty hydrating foundation because I really like it. I mean, nowadays my skin tending to be so dry on near my nose area and also on my forehead area that any foundation is making it cakey. I just always had to go for setting spray to set my foundation, but this foundation I can work throughout the day because this is so hydrating and so comfortable on my dry skin that I am just loving it. So definitely I would love to recommend this foundation, and I totally love this foundation of K Beauty. I am really impressed with this brand because they are nowadays coming up with one after another some great quality product. I really like their blushes, I really like their highlighters, and now I really liking their foundation. So yes, that's complete my today's video. I hope you like this video and find it helpful. Do comment below in the comment section and let me know your thoughts regarding this video. I am signing off with a promise to be back in another video pretty soon. Until then, stay beautiful, stay stylish, and yes, do give a try to this hydrating foundation by K Beauty. Bye.